So Pampas grass is a native South American flower found in the Pampas region. They primarily grow in hot and humid climates, so now you'll find them all around the world. Anywhere that's hot, you'll probably be able to find Pampas grass. Pampas grass, as you can see, is a long-stemmed flower. It has this top plume, as you call it, that is very luscious and very fluffy. They come in a natural gray color, but these are a natural beige color. So people are starting to use Pampas grass for home decor. You'll also start to see them very, very popular in the wedding industry, as well as you'll start to see a lot of photographers use them in style shoots. The reason why I like to use Pampas grass is it just gives this very relaxed and serene feeling just from looking at it. And it's a classic piece. It goes with any color of your room. It pairs well with any style of a home. So yeah, that's why I love using Pampas grass.